30 South Sudanese return home from Egypt. 30 South Sudanese nationals have returned to Juba from Egypt. Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. According to this report, 30 South Sudanese nationals have returned to Juba from Egypt. The group included women, men, and children. They arrived at Juba International Airport after being brought back from Egypt. The return reportedly followed effort by the office of the First Lady, Mama Mary Ayen Mayadit. The people who returned are reportedly experiencing problem related to immigration and documentation. Some say they had been detained. They also describe difficulties while trying to resolve their immigration situation. For these people, returning home was clearly an important moment. After experiencing uncertainty away from home, they were finally able to return to South Sudan. Some of the returnees spoke about their experience in Egypt. They described problems connected to immigration documents. Some reportedly spent time in detention. Others faced difficulties because of their legal or documentation status. Immigration problem can become very serious when a person does not have the correct document. A person may have difficulty moving from one place to another. They may have difficulty finding work. They may fear arrest. They may also struggle to communicate with authorities. For families, the situation can become even harder. Children may be affected. Parents may become worried about their children's future. The returnees say that other South Sudanese nationals remain in detention facility in Egypt. They appeal for continued effort to help those who are still facing problems. This means that the repatriation of the 30 people may not be the end of the issue. There may be other South Sudanese citizens who need assistance. Executive Director Naomi Azeo Mawan said effort to help other affected citizens would continue. That message will be important for families who relatively remain in difficult situation. For those families, knowing that officials are still working on the issue may provide some hope. This story also provides an important lesson for people who travel outside South Sudan. Travel documents are extremely important. People should understand the immigration rules of the country they are visiting. They should keep their passport and other documents served. They should also seek legal assistance when they face serious immigration problem. Many migrants travel because they are looking for education, employment, safety, or better opportunities. But life outside the country can sometimes become difficult. A person may lose document, a visa may expire, a person may not understand local immigration rules, a family may also face financial problem. This situation can lead to serious consequences. For the 30 South Sudanese who arrived in Juba, the return was a moment of relief. They thanked the office of the First Lady for helping facilitate their return. They also called for more help for those who are still stranded or detained. This story reminds us that South Sudanese communities live in many countries. Some are in Uganda, some are in Kenya, some are in Egypt, others live in Ethiopia, Sudan, Europe, North America, Australia, and other parts of the world. When citizens face serious problems abroad, they often look to their government and community organizations for assistance. The ability to help citizens in difficult situations is therefore an important responsibility. The main question now is what will happen to the South Sudanese nationals who are still facing immigration problem in Egypt. Families will want information. They will want to know whether their relatives are safe. They will want to know whether more people can be released or returned. They will also want to know what support is available for them. The authorities may need to continue communication with Egyptian officials. They may also want to work with South Sudanese community representatives. The goal should be to ensure that affected citizens receive proper assistance. Well, thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next video. Bye-bye.